In this video, I want to show you how to put a home button like this one on your iPhone 16. So every time you touch it, it brings you back home. So step number one is to click on the settings icon on your iPhone. From here, you should go and select accessibility. Then go down and select touch. Then assistive touch on the top needs to be turned on. So tap on it and make sure it has this green toggle enabled. You're going to notice the button appeared, and this button can be placed anywhere. It doesn't have to be exactly down below. So you can place it on any part of the edge of your iPhone 16. And there's also a few different things you can customize. So over here, idle opacity, you see one, you're not touching it. At what opacity should it stay? Right now it's 40%, but if it annoys you, you can put it to 15% and it's a lot less visible. Almost it's not present. Then over here, you need to click on single tap. And from here, you're going to select home. Let me see. Oops, I think I passed it. Yes, it's here, home. Go down, back. And right now, this button, let me place it where the home button is usually on the older iPhones, is your home button. If you open an app, you want to go back home, tap on it, and this is as easy as it is. And when it's not in use, it almost disappears down below. So it's very easy, and you can set it up to be anything else. For example, this is for single tap, but if you double tap it, it can do something completely different. So you can select another action, and even if you long press it, you can set up another action. So it's quite useful, and yeah, if this is what you want, now you know how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.